Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels. Here today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to activate screen locking sound on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, I'm gonna show you at my phone. If I'm locking the screen, there are no sound here guys. So if you want to activate the sound, here you just have to go to the settings first. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down and we'll see here the sound and vibration option. Tap on it. And after, scroll it down again until we'll find here the option which is screen locking sound. If you want to activate, you just have to tap on the button beside it. Here I'm gonna activate, and yeah, this is already active. So if I turn off the phone or I'm locking the screen, there are sounds here guys like this. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.